Welcome Dream Bikes Hub. The Honda Transalp XL750 is a versatile adventure motorcycle that combines performance, comfort, and practicality for both on-road and off-road riding. Launched in 2022, the original Honda Transalp debuted in the mid-1980s, establishing itself as a reliable all-rounder for touring and adventure riding. Known for its comfortable ergonomics and capable performance, the Transalp gained a loyal following. There may be updates in terms of color options and accessories. At the heart of the XL750 is a 755cc parallel twin engine, producing around 91 horsepower and 75 Nm of torque. This liquid-cooled unit is designed for smooth power delivery across a wide RPM range. The bike comes equipped with a 6-speed transmission, allowing for effortless gear changes. Additionally, it features an assist and slipper clutch, which enhances the riding experience by reducing lever. The Transalp XL750 boasts a steel frame that strikes a balance between rigidity and comfort. The suspension setup includes a 43mm inverted fork at the front with 200mm of travel and a rear monoshock offering. For safety, the motorcycle is fitted with dual-channel ABS and a combination of disc brakes 3/1 ohm at the front and 240mm at the rear. The braking system provides strong stopping power. The seat is designed for long-distance comfort, with a height of approximately 850mm that accommodates a wide range of riders. The upright riding position ensures good visibility and control, making it ideal for both new and experienced riders. Additionally, the Transalp offers multiple riding modes: Sport, Rain, and Eco that adjust throttle response and traction control settings. This versatility allows riders to tailor their experience based on conditions, whether tackling twisty roads or navigating through rain. Its design incorporates a comfortable seating position. I hope this provided more information and unique, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and watching me.